Hello all, welcome to another video on how to create group tickets on the Tktby platform. Click on Event, then select Manage Event. Click on Edit Event. Then go to the Create Ticket and select a paid ticket. Add ticket name. Here, I'll give a group of 3 entries. Ticket quantity 10. And ticket price. Now enable the group ticket option under Manage Group Ticket. And add the group quantity. And click on Update. That's it. Your group tickets are created successfully. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and follow the Tktby for more updates.